Now we're gonna do a cabin air filter. Let's see. Do me a favor. If you can't slide that over a little, you may have to move that, move that out the way and just slide it over. Here's my assistant. I don't have assistants usually. You guys know this. Just slide that over that way. That way I can open the door a little more. No. Slide that more. I don't want it to touch that door at all. All right, there we go. We're good. Perfect. Thank you. All right. I'm in the car, so I can take these off. Let me see. Slide this back. Javi, do me a favor. Could you give me the snap-on light that's in the cart? The little orange one. It's to the left, all the way to the left, in the cart. Thank you. I don't know why that's flashing like that, but okay. All right, now for here, this angle is gonna suck. All right, guys, well, here we go. This is a B9, a little different than the other ones. You come under here, you take this felt out with the two, there's these two little push pins here. These two little push pins, you take this little felt out that was up there, the foam. Then you gotta pull this thing down. There's 6 clips on this that you gotta be careful with breaking these. 1, 2, 3, actually this one's only 4. But you gotta be careful with the one in the corner. This can break. And then you slide this bad boy out. That's it. There you go. Put the new one in, which we're gonna do now. I'm sorry if I'm showing you guys the glove box. Sorry. Man, this is pretty heavy, this thing. Okay. Well, here's the new one. And there you go. Look at that. All right. Everything's right there. It's different than the other one, but look, that's why it's always good to look at directions. That always helps. But anyways, guys, I show you everything even when we screw up a little bit, but hey, there it is. All right. This shows you what to do. And that's what we're going to do. All right, so we're going to pop this back in. Let me see if I can put you guys on my head here so we could try to get in there. A little hard for me. I had to send my buddy in there. He's a little smaller than me. I'm a little too big over here. All right. Yeah, it is flexible. Okay. Yeah, we didn't have to do this. On this car, it's a styrofoam with 2 little pins, push pins. Pull them down, pull this cover down, and then slide the filter down. That's all there is to it. Now, we had a yellow side and a white side, so I'm assuming the blue side goes back like the yellow did. Hey, look, German made in China. Good stuff. Just like my Bavarian China Sport coils I put in my BMW. Great. You expect to buy something in America and other places, boy, from other manufacturers, and they're made in China anyway, so whatever. That's why I don't care, and I always say aftermarket, whatever. People say, oh, go OEM. Yeah, OEM, you get it, then it says, oh, made in China. So what the hell's the difference? All right. Now, like I said, I'm not a little guy here. How the hell do we get this back in here and not get cooked by this drop light? That's the problem with the old school drop lights, but they're great in the winter when you're freezing your ass off. Oh boy, I'm not gonna be able to get that in there. Hold on, I gotta get upside down. And I'm getting too old for this. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. Okay, I hope you guys can see. I know there's a light there, but I don't think you're gonna be able to see that. Yeah. And I'm also not a big cabin air filter guy. I really don't believe in this crap. But anyways. Okay, that's not working too well. Oh. We're gonna need this light. Okay, let's try it again. So we can actually maybe see where the hell this goes. Okay. That kind of... Okay. Kind of goes in a really crazy way here. This is a really big filter. Just gotta make this really big turn here. Okay. All right. Let's go cabin air filters. Did you ever think what we did before cabin air filters? Like, wow. Like ACs never worked. You know? Oh, this is, yeah. This is good stuff here. This is great, guys. I recommend everyone does this. Okay, so we're in that L, or as some people say, boomerang shape here. This is a big ass filter to get into this little ass spot. I'll tell you that. Yeah. This is like really dumb, but okay, I think we're in there. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna take the camera off my head and try to give you guys the visual under there. See that? It goes like, oh God. I know this is terrible, guys, but here we go. All right, see that? It's literally just like the cover. It goes that way and bends that way, and it slides all the way in there. And that's it. It's in now. Now we just got to snap this cover back on. And we're good to go. Should be good to go. I think that's in there. I'm going to put you guys here and hope that it comes out. But you guys get the gist of this. It's a really big pain in the butt to get this in here. Now here's the cover here. Now I'm doing this, but I'm just trying to feel here. Now my buddy took this off, not me. So I'm trying to get this back in. I think we got it there. There we go. At least we didn't get an entire tree out of the filter this time, but that filter was dirty, I'll say that. It still don't make me a believer in cabin air filters, but anyways, whatever. Okay, now this little foam piece goes back in here like this, and I really hope you guys can see what the hell I'm doing. There's a little thing right here, see it sticks out, little tab or whatever. That's where this little bad boy goes. Oops, sorry guys. And I'm trying to find the other one. Yeah, so that goes there. The other one goes right here. Once you get that in there, that's it. We're done with this. Cabin air filter's done, all right? Now, I'm trying to find the other piece, but I'm kind of pinned in between here. If you guys could see what I look like right now, you'd be laughing. But I've done this so many times throughout my life. Cars. Gotta love them. Anyways, all right, I'm gonna have to move out, guys, but that's it. We're gonna put the other piece here. So we've slid it in, put the cap back on. It went in a lot easier than it came out, but my buddy had to take it out. But it's way different than the other Audi, the B8. The B9 is way different. The B8 is a little easier, actually. But that's it. This is done. I'm gonna move out. We'll put this pin in here, and we're done with that, guys. All right, so next time, next video, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, guys. Take care.